Purpose of this video is to see whether you like Chevy orange more or street Hemi orange. Huh, totally kidding. Purpose of this video is actually the stand that this transmission is on. So a transmission jack is supposed to help you lift a transmission into the car. You can tilt the transmission up and down. You can tilt it right and left. It's got a pretty secure chain holding it on. It's not gonna fall off. It's got great piston ram length. However, I'm 6 foot tall. Notice where the transmission is. Let's say I wasn't incredibly masculine. How in the hell are you supposed to put 150 to 200 pound transmission on it? Unless you can shoulder press, maybe you can clean and press 200 pounds. Why doesn't it go down anymore? So, I had to build a box to be able to put my transmission on the transmission jack. So while it is much safer using one of these, and I thoroughly appreciate my lovely wife buying this for me for Christmas, I guess I should have done some more research. Apparently they make them that have another whole stage to go even lower. Because if it went down at least another foot, two guys could lift the transmission onto the pad here, secure it, go up the first stage, and then use the second stage to put it in the car. So, probably not the one to buy. I'm not gonna tell you where I got it. It's not their fault. They probably just import it from not America. That's why I can afford it. So, moral of the story, do some research before you buy shop tools. I'm sure I'll make this work for a while, but we'll probably have to upgrade to something a little more functional that's not got the transmission in my face already. If I could lift the transmission this high, I probably wouldn't need a transmission jack at all, right? So, you get any other tools that you've had similar issues with, let us know. And again, thanks for watching The Family's Garage.